Hello folks, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can download files from GitHub. Some people for some reason are having troubles download files from here, and usually what they do, they just open the file. For example, we're gonna open this file and they go like this and mark everything. After they mark everything, they copy the file with copy or Control C and paste it into another file. This method, you can do it, but it's not efficient as you can tell. The way you can do it, you can just click on raw and then you have the file up. So JSON, you're gonna right click, save as, and as you can see, the file is gonna be downloaded like this. The other way that you can download the file is if there is like a full program that you want to copy, not just one of the files. We just go into the code and you have download a zip and the file is going to be downloaded and everything that is inside, you want to see it. So this was what I wanted to show you, like a simple method how you can download everything, and of course just a simple file and the text inside the file. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you into the next one.